Hey guys, welcome back to TK Rev Studio. And today, we have Bose QuietComfort Ultra Noise Cancelling Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds. Before we dive into the unboxing, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you won't miss any of my upcoming tech reviews. Now, let's take a closer look at the Bose QuietComfort Ultra Noise Cancelling Bluetooth Wireless Earbuds. QuietComfort Ultra earbuds offer all the same features as their predecessor, QuietComfort Earbuds I plus breakthrough Bose Immersive Audio and the addition of immersive audio settings. For custom modes, other new features include a Snapdragon sound certification, using high-res audio and low latency, codec, Qualcomm aptX adaptive, and Google Fast Pair. QuietComfort Ultra earbuds also feature a new metallic finish on earbuds, as well as a new notch, key alignment feature for stability bands. That makes them easier to swap in and out. USB-C to C cable 12. You should take some time to experiment with different earbud and stability band sizes to arrive at a combination that suits you, providing a gentle seal and a comfortable, stable experience. Keep in mind that it's common for left and right ears to vary slightly in shape, so sizes may not match from left to right also. earbud and stability band sizes may be mixed and matched, such as using a size small earbud with a number 3 stability band if you find that you need alternate sizes. Extra small and extra large ear tips and stability bands are available through Bose support. Google Fast Pair is a technology developed by Google to expedite the initial pairing process between source devices and headphones. Android users OS 6.0 or newer will enjoy the rapid setup. Google Fast Pair has to offer by simply turning on their headphones and selecting the Google Pair pop-up window on their Android device location services, and Bluetooth must be set to on. Immersive audio allows you to hear audio as if it were coming from beyond your QuietComfort Ultra earbuds, thereby allowing for a more spacious, natural listening experience. Your music and other audio will have a wide soundstage in front and to the sides, just as if you were listening to a pair of stereo speakers and seated at the sweet spot between them. Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds utilize both passive and active noise reduction technologies. Passive noise reduction is similar to when you wear earplugs. There is a physical blockage preventing some of the sound from entering your ear. This is achieved through the earbud design with materials such as silicone ear tips and the acoustic seal created by having a proper fit. For active noise cancellation, your earbuds use sophisticated proprietary electronics with microphones both inside and outside the earbuds. The electronic system senses the sound in almost any environment and then measures, compares, and reacts instant by instant to produce an opposing cancellation signal. The controls on Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds on the left and right earbud surfaces are the same, and they include swipe up or down for volume control, tap once to play or pause content, tap twice in quick succession to skip forward, tap 3 times in quick succession to skip back, press and hold the earbud surface to access a shortcut. The default shortcut function on both buds is to toggle back and forth between quiet mode, full noise cancelling, and aware mode. Here outside sound, you can add additional noise cancelling modes at sound levels between quiet and aware using the Bose Music app. The shortcut on one or both earbuds can also be customized in the Bose Music app. To access a mobile device's built-in voice assistant, tap once to accept an incoming call. Tap twice in quick succession to end a call or decline an incoming call. Yes! The single bud use feature allows you to take calls and listen to music using one bud. It will also seamlessly switch between your earbuds and switches automatically if one of the earbuds runs out of battery or disconnects from Bluetooth. Yes, the Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds have passed IPX4 testing, which means they are protected against sweat and splashing water from any angle. The interior of the charging case is resistant to water or sweat that may remain on the buds when they are placed inside for charging, however it is. What is a Snapdragon sound? Snapdragon sound refers to an audio and software processing infrastructure developed by Qualcomm, focusing on robust and low-latency Bluetooth connectivity and leveraging the aptX adaptive codec. aptX adaptive will adapt the audio quality seamlessly and continuously based on the strength back to the source's device to maintain a good wireless connection and avoid audio dropouts. This means that for a great wireless connection, you can get the highest possible audio quality up to and including lossless audio. The normal sampling rate applicable in your Bose QuietComfort Ultra earbuds is 44.1 kHz and will adapt up to 48.1 kHz when high-resolution listening. The codec also has a low-latency mode, aka gaming mode, just as with audio quality. The codec will adapt to achieve the best lowest latency possible, given the current wireless conditions. Snapdragon sound is applicable only to Android users with Snapdragon sound certified devices. Link in the description for these earbuds. Comparison with Beats Pro. That's it for the unboxing and review. If you liked this video, comment below and subscribe for future tech reviews.